Previously, we had discussed that the definite integral from a to b of f of x dx is the area under the curve from a to b of f of x. But in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to be a little bit more specific with what we're talking about here. And so to be more specific, the area above the x-axis is going to be counted positively, and the area below the x-axis is going to be counted negatively. So we're going to look at how that affects some integrals. So the first one that we want to compute in A is the area from 1 to 5 of f of x dx. From 1 to 5 would be this area here. Well, notice that entire area is actually below the x-axis. So in this case, this integral is actually going to have a negative value. This would be negative 4.27. Okay, in this next example, we're going to compute the area from 0 to 7 of f of x dx. So we're looking at this space here from 0 until all the way over here, 7. So the areas above the x-axis we would count positively. So the area from 0 to 1, I would count that area positively. The area from 1 to 5, that's below the curve, so we're going to count that negatively. And then the last part, from 5 to 7, the area is above the curve, so that counts positively. If we work that out, 1.56 minus 4.27 plus 0.67, we will get negative 2.04. Lastly, in C, we want to look at the absolute value of f of x. Well, what absolute value would do is it would actually take this area here and it would make it move above the curve, right? So now we would have all of these being positive areas. So 1.56 plus 4.27 plus 0.67. This total area would equal 6.5.